Hello guys, this is Cool Man Steven here, and I'm showing you another programming with Batch tutorial. So yeah, this one's gonna be a Notepad or Notepad++. I've been working on a project there, so yeah, so let's get into this. So you're gonna want to type as usual echo space off. There, now we're starting basically. I'm gonna make a what do you call it? A class. Yes, that's a class. Tab. I'm just gonna call it virus. And then I'm gonna do echo is random. And now I'm gonna just take this. Control copy. I'm just gonna do Control V. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Now go down there. Now go to virus. Now file. Now we're gonna fix this up because this is just the start. Because I just don't wanna, I'm not done with this. Because this is still gonna look a little funky, so you're not gonna, so let's see our virus. That's what we have right now. See that? Like you can trick your parents or somebody. Mom, look, I have a virus. Fix that up real fast. Oh my gosh, it's a virus. It's loading. No, but I'm gonna make it look more real. So let's just let's use color code. No, you're probably thinking, what the heck? Color. Wow. No. I'm picking in a random color code because I don't know which the right color code is, so it's kind of like giving me an error, and that's what I want. Now, we already have black, so we're just gonna get green too. So 2. We're gonna go back here. I'm gonna put on 2. Okay, file. Save it, and now let's see. Now let's see if it works. There, that looks better. Now, I'm sorry, I just paused our video. Well, you're not gonna see it because it's just gonna skip right past it. But now I'm gonna just make this a little bit more convincing. These dashes are just gonna make it look a little bit spaced out and look more nice in my opinion. Now, some of this runs off the screen. You want that? That's just causing it, you know, in the, you know how in the other one, how there's like numbers popping up at the bottom? Because it's just displaying them down there because it's so far out. So we might need to delete another random, but that's okay. Yeah, we're gonna need to delete a random. Basically, random makes a random number. So let me explain to you how this works. Okay, there we go. Okay, file. Just let me save this real fast. Okay, so basically how this works is it echoes it off, of course. Now it does color too, which means it makes it so the numbers are green, and then it makes a thing called virus. You make a class called virus. Now with this class called virus, it's gonna say this. But since we hit go to virus right at a second after this, it's going and it's going in a loop. The way to close this now is just to hit the X. Well, let's save this and let's look at our new game, our little virus thing. See that? Isn't that cool? But I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced yet. I'm not very convinced. I'm just gonna delete a couple more. I don't like having too many, so I'm just gonna keep editing this until you think it's long enough for your taste. Okay, I don't like I'm just gonna go in this video and delete as many as I can until it looks nice for me. Okay, let's delete one more, and then I think that's gonna be pretty nice of a virus. I think it's gonna look pretty convincing. We need to make this pretty convincing. You know what I mean? Like you could send it, you could trigger parent. Yeah, like that. Now that's what I like. See, okay. It looks like a total virus is loading up. Now let's go up here. Now let's go title virus. And look, up here it says virus now. Watch. That's amazing, isn't it? It says virus, but that virus sorry again, I just paused it, but you know, you're not gonna see that, but that doesn't look very convincing. Now, let's just add that caps, because you know. There, now it looks more formal, and look, you could trick your parents. You could go, Mom, Dad, it's a virus. It's loading on my computer. Ah! Look at that. Look, doesn't that look convincing? In my opinion, it looks very convincing. No. And you don't do this, because it's automatically going to be down here and just keep scrolling. Don't ever do this. Don't ever hold on to that, because it'll pause it. Don't ever bring it up like that. It's just going to not you on like that. And that's the virus, guys. I hope you enjoy, because that's my YouTube video right now. Fake virus. Virus, yay, okay. And let me show you a couple sneak peeks of what I might do in the future. Welcome to a game quiz. 1 to start, 1 to exit. 2, let's just do that. No, doesn't work. Enter, 1, enter. Please enter your name. Steve. What? Well, hello. Wow, you are starting a quiz. Let's take that and relax. Like, that's just all I got so far. Now let's do this. Press input to then enter. I think I've already done this already for YouTube, guys. I'm Lesma. Want to start? Go to exit. This is what we did last time, I believe. Yeah, yeah.
Hey YouTube, this is Cool Man Steve.
Now, but this pressure input cheese. And it brings up YouTube. So it's the password generator. Instead of a number 1, it's a password 1. Now, I will be showing you guys how to make this, of course. I'll show you probably all of these. It brings up MSP paints. But let me show you my latest thing that I just built. What is their name? Mini _271. So your name is Mini217. Enter. Would you like to battle the great evil? Yes. Okay, I have 70. No, I'm just gonna make this big as it can. So I have 75 health out of 100, and that guy has 70 out of 100. I'm gonna shoot him with my gun. Enter shooting. Enter attacking. So I have right now 63 health and he has 24. So I'm going to use S now. Slashing. He has -8 and it says you win down there in that little letter. No, I win, thank you. I'll probably make the guy harder, but I might show you guys how to make that a little later. And this was a nice tutorial on how to make a fake virus. Maybe next tutorial I can make a virus or something like that. Because how do I make a real virus? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna show you right now. Okay. So virus. Now you see how I did this, right? But instead of going to virus, you would make it so you just keep making screens pop up. So you would go to like the whole thing again. It's kind of easy. Maybe you guys can find it out for yourself, but maybe I'll make that and then I'll make like a little talking tutorial like this one. Hello, man. What's your name? Stico. Press any key to get it. Copies my name and does that. Actually, I'll show you the programming into that right now because I got time. So I put the echo off. I put color F space F1 to get my color. Echo space hello man. Echo what is your name? And I did set space /p space name equals. That capital N is essential. Well, for me. Then I do echo, and then you have to have that capital N because you put it up here. 2 at signs, and then you go down and do pause, so it'll copy your names. Go. Well, that is a cool name. That is a cool name. Now watch this. Now that I got that done, I can open this up. Well, that is Peacock. Well, that is a cool name. See, so basic, easy, and by YouTube,